Selangor. Here we have learnt about silver making process, and they have explained about the history of Chinese, how this silver has been produced, and the whole process was explained throughoutly.
We have come to the Pewter Factory. So it was founded by Young Jun, and it was such a great experience to come here and all. Hello all, my name is Prerna and we are from AIMS IBS. So we have come to the Pewter Factory, which is known for its silver jewelries, teapots and everything. So it was founded by Young Jun, and it's so great. It was such a great experience to come here and all. I hope you guys visit soon.